Hello everyone, I Dr. Varun Kumar, faculty of MBA from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on concept and nature of technology under the subject of management, technology, innovation and change. Firstly, we will discuss the concept of technology. What is technology? Technology means the totality of the means employed to provide objects necessary for human sustenance and comfort. Objects include not only goods but services. For example, technology is not restricted to hardware but may include know-how and software. Technology has been derived from Greek word technologia. Techno means an art or skill and logia means science or study. So, technology means systematic treatment of or art or study. According to Oxford English Dictionary, technology is application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose. Now we will discuss what is the nature of technology. We will discuss one by one. First, it involves purposive applications of various fields of science and scientific knowledge. It is used to provide objects like product, machinery, tools, services, etc. necessary for human sustenance and comfort. It is not restricted to hardware but also include know-how and software. And another nature is it has both public and private components. And another point is it is complex in nature. Most modern tools are difficult to understand as to how to manufacture or how to use or both. The next one is it is dependent on other technologies. Yes, that is a very important nature. It is dependent on the other technologies. Next one, it has high degree of valence, large multitude of types. It is another one is it is big in scale, dominates modern life. And last nature is technology carries different meaning to different people in different situations. Now we will discuss constituent of technologies. First, technoware, object or hardware embodied technologies. Humanware, person embodied technologies. Infoware, documents, specification, procedure or methods. Orgaware, institution embodied or support net technology. Now we will discuss what are the difference between science and technologies. We will discuss one by one. The first difference is science largely deals with the natural world, technology largely deals with the human-made world. The second one is science mainly focuses on understanding scientific principle or scientific laws. Technology mainly focuses on doing. For example, it is application oriented. And third one is science is public and universal knowledge. On the other hand, technology comprises both public and private knowledge. And fourth one is scientific research and discovery leads to increase of overall scientific knowledge. On the other hand, technology development leads to innovation of new product, services or process. Fifth one, utility of science does not undergo change with the passage of time. On the other hand, technology and the product, services or process associated with it undergo changes like the biological concept of a life cycle, for example, birth, growth, maturity and death. The sixth one, scientific research and discovery is pursued even if cost may sometimes exceed benefits. On the other hand, technology development is many times guided by cost versus benefit analysis. And the seventh one, science is generally useful for all human beings. On the other hand, technology provides specific advantage to the owner and users and some disadvantage to society as well. And last but not the least, scientific research and discovery precedes technology development. On the other hand, technology development succeeds or follows scientific research and discovery. I hope you understand the topic of concept and nature of technology. Thank you very much.